Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake very easily. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 generous scoops of your favorite ice cream, perhaps vanilla or chocolate. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of cold milk. Whole milk works wonderfully for extra creaminess. Finally, add just 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance all the flavors. These simple steps lay the foundation for a delicious treat. Now, let's get blending. Carefully place all your ingredients into a blender. Start by blending on a low speed for about 10 to 15 seconds to gently combine everything without splashing. Once the initial mix is done, gradually increase the speed to medium or high. Continue blending for approximately 30 to 60 seconds, or until your milkshake reaches a perfectly smooth and thick consistency. The best part about making milkshakes is customizing them. Feel free to add a variety of delicious extras. For a fruity twist, try blending in half a banana or a handful of fresh berries. If you love chocolate, a drizzle of chocolate syrup or a spoonful of cocoa powder works wonders. You could even add a tablespoon of peanut butter for a rich, nutty flavor. Your delicious, homemade milkshake is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into a tall, chilled glass. For that extra special touch, you can top it with a generous swirl of whipped cream and a bright red cherry. Remember, milkshakes are best served immediately, so grab a straw and savor every cold, refreshing sip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.